If you need to unlink a bank account from your Lyft account, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Open the Lyft app. Launch the Lyft app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Tap on your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment or Payment Methods option. Tap on it to view all the payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Select the bank account. Find the bank account you wish to unlink from your Lyft account. Tap on it to open the details for that payment method. Step 5. Unlink the bank account. Look for an option that says Remove or Unlink. Confirm your choice when prompted to successfully unlink the bank account from your Lyft account. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be unlinked from Lyft. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.